we are going to focus on a new procedure that is new here to medical aesthetics, and it's called CooLifting. It is an instant gratification machine if you're looking for something to get rid of those fine lines and wrinkles quickly. I will also be interviewing the Skin Medica line rep that we have here at Medical Aesthetics, because we use the product with the CooLifting as well. And so we're looking forward to today's show. Thanks for coming back. So right now I'm standing here with Kathleen. She's a representative of Skin Medica, the line that we carry here at Medical Aesthetics. So Kathleen, just give us a little info on why HA5 and what it does for the skin.
Sure. So HA5 is a rejuvenating hydrator, and this is one of our newer products, been on the market for about 2 years. And when this launched, it was the most successful launch in our history, which is really exciting.
Wow.
The importance of this on our skin is that we need hydration. As we get older, our skin loses the ability to hold on to water. So we are dehydrated, which leaves our skin dull, lifeless, and shows the fine lines and wrinkles. So in order to improve that, we need to apply the HA5 topically, which is going to be a great complement to this service, to the CooLift procedure that you're introducing.
Okay.
So this works to bring the hydration back into the skin. A moisturizer is just like a Band-Aid. You can put that on every day, but it's not going to treat the source of the problem, which is dehydration. So this is like that drink of water for your skin, or you can almost think of your skin when it's young, it's like a grape. When you get old, it's like a crinkled raisin.
Right.
So HA5 is what we need daily to help bring that hydration back to your skin, and a great complement to that CooLift procedure that you're introducing tonight.
Okay, great. And it's cumulative, correct, when you use this product?
Yeah, it's going to work short-term and long-term. And I think that's one of the reasons it did so well. There's an instant gratification, and that's what we want. That's what we love. So it's going to work short-term and long-term. Yeah, every day. HA5 for life. This is the homework. Your products that you take home are your homework that are going to complement your in-office procedure. It's protecting your investment. And that's really what any of the Skin Medica products are going to do. Protect the investment of the patient.
That's great.
Yeah.
So we do
work
have...
very well.
That's wonderful. Thank you, Kathleen.
Of course, thanks.
So we do have these products here at Medical Aesthetics, but you can also visit Skin Medica, and that website is
skinmedica.com.
skinmedica.com. And so thank you so much, Kathleen,
Yeah,
again.
my pleasure.
And I can't wait for this to happen, to watch it with the HA5 too. Thank you. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration of the CooLift, which we have representatives here. Brendan is from
Essentials,
and Bill is with
Cryo Concepts in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.
Very good. So, I know this is a big thing. We're very happy to be doing this tonight. Can you explain just a little bit about the CooLift system and how it benefits people?
Sure. CooLifting is a new technology that's all natural, non-invasive, that applies CO2 to the skin at the same time it's infusing the face with a topical serum of hyaluronic acid. So the benefit that clients get is total rejuvenation of the face, super hydration. We hear the word luminosity thrown around a lot, but you literally are glowing when it's done. And one of the best things for the clients is that there's no downtime. So it's a very soothing treatment. They feel great afterwards. It can be done in as little as 10 to 15 minutes after they cleanse the skin and have the treatment. So it could be done on your lunch break. And it also can be done in combination with other therapies like chemical peels or micro needling or microdermabrasion to help minimize the redness after those sorts of procedures.
Okay, great. So we do have a lot of patients that do Botox and fillers. Is this something we can do the same day that they do those procedures or not? Great
question. So we would recommend waiting 2 weeks after Botox or fillers because we want those materials to settle. And then 2 weeks later you can do a CooLifting, which again will help infuse and give that really beautiful glowing look, which everyone wants before, for example, a wedding, a red carpet treatment. This definitely fits that bill.
Right, or if you have like an Instagram account and you want to look camera ready for something like that, right?
Camera ready or selfie ready, this definitely will put you won't need a filter.
No filters.
No filter for your Instagram picture because you're going to look beautiful.
Okay, great. And Brendan, you do the CooLift procedures, you do the demonstrations.
Yep.
What do you hear from patients as it's going on? Is it something do they feel any pain or pressure or anything like that?
No, so most people will tell you that it feels slightly like freezing rain.
Okay.
Excuse me, like New Englanders are used to here. So they'll feel a little bit of a cooling, prickly sensation, but it doesn't hurt. And it actually feels refreshing after some of the treatments, like after a microneedling or a peel, it will actually cool and calm the skin.
Okay. Is there any restrictions? Like there's a lot of women that get this, so do they have to take their makeup off, like all their makeup off, or is it just, the foundation, etc.?
Yeah, we would recommend that they cleanse their skin and have a nice surface to work with, and that will allow for better penetration of the serum and the CO2.
Okay. And so it's not just for women, though, it's for men as well?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we see a lot of guys that get it just because, again, it's a quick treatment and there's no downtime. So they can go back outside, you can, play golf and be very active and not worry about having to stay inside for, 24 or 48 hours.
Okay, and do they wash their face after the procedure is done, or do they wait a little bit longer?
So we recommend that they would allow that serum to soak into the skin. So typically about 30 to 40 minutes that will completely absorb in. It'll look like they've done nothing besides the wrinkles are gone or they've been softened.
Okay, somebody actually asked me what the difference between CooLift is and hydrofacial. Have you ever been asked that question?
So, good question. So, CooLifting is going to immediately improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
Okay.
And so it's going to turn back that clock right before your eyes. When you see the treatment, as you're actually treating the skin, you'll see those wrinkles dissipate. Hydrofacial is more of a cleansing and infusing type of treatment that will help to force serums into the skin to give you different results. If you want to infuse like peptides or antioxidants and you want to treat the skin a different way, but you won't see the same immediate outcome that you would with a CooLifting treatment.
Okay. And it doesn't need to be just done once. You can do like packages of it as well. Is that like indicated for it?
Yeah, we absolutely recommend doing a series. It's cumulative, so if you're doing treatment every 2 to 3 weeks, the results will last longer and longer, and you'll actually see better outcomes.
Okay, so that was a question I wanted to ask, is if you keep doing it, will it last a little bit longer than the 2 weeks?
Absolutely. It's like going to the gym. You have to kind of build up a little bit. You can't just go once and look great. You got to do
have muscles the first time.
Yeah, exactly.
We wish.
Exactly.
Great. Well, I think this is great. I'm so happy that you're here today. We're really looking forward to watching it and having the outcomes be seen by everybody and really promoting this.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As I'm treating, I want you to see how her skin softens right before your eyes. So it's a 4-minute treatment, okay? So it doesn't take a long time, and it's not painful. It feels a little bit like freezing rain. You'll feel like a little bit of like a prickly sensation. And basically what we're doing is we're using this device here, and it's going to dispense carbon dioxide, okay? That's what we breathe out, and a hyaluronic acid serum, okay? As this device dispenses the CO2 and the HA, it comes out cool. As the CO2 is released from the compressed state, it's in a cooler state. So we're blowing cool CO2 onto the skin and dispensing HA at the same time. What that does is the CO2 is cooling the skin and it's making our pores start to react. They're starting to open and close because of that change in temperature. As they're opening and closing, that HA, which it helps to obtain fluid and put that into the skin to hydrate it, the skin's going to kind of grab those HA molecules and it's going to give you like that plumping effect. So you're going to see the wrinkles start to slowly fade and like dissipate as we're treating. So you're actually going to see that. So as we're treating, that's why I want you guys to get close. You'll notice you'll start to see her wrinkles start to fade away right before your eyes. So right now I'm dispensing the HA. You can start to see her skin starting to change a little bit of color. Do you notice that she's getting a little pink right there? Turn your face a little bit more. Responded well under the eyes here. You can see those crow's feet have really softened up. And right now at this point it's just the CO2. We're going to continue to treat until the device stops. Okay. But her fine lines right here really softened up, and you can see that she's kind of softened out throughout the face.